So, taken up excerpt from the mother, and here mother is writing to again a disciple in one of her letters. So, mother says, the great secret to get rid of all nasty things and to remove the veil between you and the divine is surrender. A total, complete, and constant surrender. Dismiss all bad thoughts and bad movements by surrender. Now, I will just like to elaborate upon it a little bit, because I think this is very, very important and this is the crux of the practice. Now, what is happening? So, first of all, I must have a willingness to look at my movements. Okay, so I am I'm going by my day throughout the day, and I am very, very uh, constantly very vigilant of what are the thoughts that are going on in my head. Are there any repeated thoughts that are coming? What are the emotions that are going on in my being? These kind of things I have to be very, very vigilant about. Now, the moment I see a movement, the moment I see something which is happening and which I see that it should not be there, I don't need this movement uh, in my being. For example, somebody says something and I feel a very strong kind of an insulted feeling within. So I say to myself, why, what is the need to have this feeling? Why am I having this feeling again and again? That person may say anything. Why am I getting so swayed? So, how to surrender in such a case is that first you become conscious of the divine presence within you. You have faith that within you, at the heart, deep inside your heart, the divine presence is with you. And also in your thoughts, you can be with the divine presence. Once this faith is there that the divine presence is with me, watching me, with me all the time like a friend, then what you do is the moment that person has said something and you see a very ugly movement within you which you don't want in your being, what you do is you offer it, you show it. You show it like, for example, if I'm talking to the mother, so I would say, Mother, look, this movement has come again. Mother, look, this thought has come again. Mother, look, this feeling of being insulted has come again. So, what you will do is you will not be acting according to that feeling or according to that thought that arises, which is not very beautiful. You will be showing it to the mother, you will be revealing it to the divine. And that is what surrender is. So, here, mother is saying the great secret to get rid of all nasty things, things which make us uneasy. We don't like that movement within our being. We don't like that thought arising up again and again. We don't like that uh, confusion, that doubt coming again and again. So whenever that doubt comes, whenever the confusion comes, whenever that nasty movement comes, we have to show it to the divine mother, it has come up again, and not act according to it. And this is the way we remove the veil between us and the divine, and this is the way to surrender. And again, as I said, surrender is an ever, ever, ever deepening process. One cannot just, sit on the sofa and relax. Okay, I am surrendered completely to the divine now. No, it is a constant active process. Surrender is not a passive state of being. Surrender is a very, very active process in which you are very vigilant of all the movements that are happening within you, and you are constantly offering them, showing them to the divine. Okay, so mother says this is the victorious attitude and it never fails. And personally speaking, from my own experiences, I can say that yes, this never fails. The more we practice, the more effortless it becomes. And to have the strength to do it, use my force and power that are always with you. So mother is saying that remember me at all times, and by that you will even have more shakti, more force to surrender completely. Why is mother saying this? Because mother is the manifestation of the divine Shakti, the divine force that is in our blood, that is running our life. So the more we ask, we invoke that force within us to help us on this path, the more energy and enthusiasm we get on this way. By remembering the mother, by offering all to the mother throughout, because this process of surrender can become, at times the desires are so much, the attractions to outward things are so much that it becomes impossible to surrender. So that is how we gain Shakti slowly, by asking, by invoking the grace that give me the strength for a complete surrender.